YouTube, we only gonna get y'all action content, man. So yeah, I'm only gonna record action and shit. Like, we're not gonna do no, you know, no bullshit. Everything gonna be straight action. So I'm gonna get straight to this. It's LS Fest Vegas, man. We got the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. You don't know. I think this is where they did the Dodge reveal for the Demon too, if I'm not mistaken. So, as you can see, yeah, it's real. Yeah, it's real. These all lining up to drag. They all finna race. We hitting the Burnout pit today, so y'all get ready for that. I'm gonna walk y'all around to some of the vendors, let y'all see what's out here. There's a lot out here, so I'm gonna walk y'all around some vendors, let y'all see Nitto. They got a Summit. They got a lot of people out here, so I'm gonna walk y'all around and let y'all see that, man. We're gonna get busy though. Y'all, hope y'all like the vlog, man. Like, comment, sub. Different style of vlog today, more cinematic, more to the point.
And if you are one of the quickest,
so we're gonna walk through. So y'all, all this good shit. That's all I was looking at. Golly. See these? Oh my gosh, bro. Oof. My gosh. What's this, Blackwing?
Oh, that's a V motor. That's an LT4.
That's an LT4, right? Damn. I was telling them, my homeboys, they just put a
Look at this old school over here with a big turbo.
oh my god. So shit, hey, if you don't know cars, you on the E-way, you think that's a piece of shit, right?
Another PATINA build.
Oh my god.
That's dope.
What's this?
Oh, this is company.
Oh, those are the guns that are in bullets, right? Yeah, I've been seeing a couple of them like that.
I want to get these intakes for manifolds from Valkyrie.
What you think this pushing?
Probably close to a K.
Yeah?
It still looks like a 350 though. I don't know if it's an LS. It might be a 350. If that's the case, it's like 670.
Oh my gosh.
It's still power, right?
Hell yeah. Oh my gosh.
Got the pre-runner setups over here.
What the hell is this, bro? What?
It's actually pretty cool. They chop up
What?
they chop up well, yeah, but I mean the frame itself is a Silverado.
There's the frame.
That's all I was saying. Ain't shit in there.
Well, they chop it at the body and then they build it custom from there on. Oh, it's fully custom?
So what is it? It's like an off-road truck, I guess?
Baja.
Right? Let me slap past you.
Those are big fucking shots.
That's what I was looking at.
Big fucking shots.
That's fucking dangerous.
Oh my god.
This is a different tax bracket.
Right. No bullshit.
This is a different tax bracket.
It's just like this, except, you know, like less of the street stuff.
Yeah. Hey, that's crazy that Nito's out here, bro. That's live, bro.
I tried, it didn't work.
Yeah, I took my bag off so they can see the back. If all of us got the back on, somebody gonna read it.
Well, the cool thing is a lot of these people like heat wave. My boy that taught me everything about business.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah. The owner is.
I'm grabbing me some sunglasses and shit for this summer. Ooh, look at that. Shit, Magnuson on the. RHD. So you got the right hand drive on that too. That's crazy. Hey, the right hand drive is crazy.
Partying all day. I'm late as a motherfucker. I need money in my life. I'm gonna jump on with y'all. Give me some good
Ooh. That motherfucker say parts for sale in the window. It's list of all the parts they got for sale. It's crazy. See, that's what I want. The SS. Oh my god, bro, that shit looks sick. That shit looks sick. All these, oh my god, they green. Look at this bitch. What the fuck? So y'all don't know, this is my next build. I'm doing me an SS. LSX, that bitch crazy. That motherfucker sick. That bitch sick. So yeah, man, we outside AZ Motor Trends. We're looking at food right now. We at the Vegas Motor Speedway, like I told you. We outside. This the owner of AZ Motor Trends, man. Y'all make sure y'all fuck with my boy Max, man. You know,
We're out here to have some fun, make some content, see some dope builds,
you know,
and maybe fuck some of our own builds up, you know.
You know, and show off AZ Motor Trends. You know, they got that shit, that horsepower, you know. If you need some horsepower, I need you to get to AZ Motor Trends if you're in Arizona.
Gotta have that fun.
For sure. And some smell good. Don't it? Damn.
Always some good shit.
Ooh. I wish y'all could smell this. I slept on the plane, I had a 3-hour flight, so.
Just a reminder, there are no scooters allowed in the
I haven't seen a V actually put it down
I
yet.
haven't either. That's all I want to see. But I know some
That's like
in
the
Texas.
fifth
They push them.
announcement
They
today.
push them.
They TRACKHAWK fast.
Yeah.
And sometimes
Hopefully,
faster.
sometime somebody will understand
But you gotta have
that
money to
it's
build
gonna be a
those.
rule all day long, not just for that.
I think any Cadillac, right?
Any LT motor.
Back.
Hope it's so.
Anything over 1,000.
Woo! Oh my God! What the fuck? Dogged him. Dogged him. Dogged him. 583. Golly.
Some more single guys.
Stadium and
You can't beat the fucking, you at the Motor Speedway.
the helicopter.
The strip, you know what I'm saying? AZ Motor Trends outside. Look, they're packed over there. Oh, that's the off-road shit over there. What we doing?
Gonna slide in the pit. We got Heatwave Visual sponsored Burnout contest
Ooh.
and Donut Pit. So we're gonna shred some tires and get sideways. You'll see us soon.
Can we get some smoke? We getting a lot of smoke?
Oh,
Let's get
smoke
it.
it up.
All right, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna pick this back up when you get in there. to the pit, bro?
Totally worth it. Should have brought some spare parts. We're gonna try to go get some spare parts right now, but I didn't blow the tires like I wanted to. But I mean, we good. We can go for a second round. We just gotta get the parts for it.
Yeah. Hey man, look, one of the best shows y'all gonna see. I don't know, y'all see
got the coolant all over the window.
Coolant. But he pushing 30 pounds of boost, so y'all gotta remember that, like, you know.
She got a little hot.
Yeah. Yeah, what you cut her off at 230, 240?
230 is about when I stopped.
Yeah, so y'all know what time it is, man.
We got the reps out here. You know where we be. LS Fest West.
He said, you know what we beat? Real. Look.
Got the hood off.
Look, man.
Got to let the snail breathe.
You know.
But yeah, stay tuned.
Nice, man.
Tomorrow is going to be a day.